Summertime's the perfect time to make your own bubbles. I have a recipe for you today. It only uses 3 ingredients that you have right now in your kitchen: water, dish soap, and corn syrup. Let's get started with our warm water, not hot, just warm water, and I have 2 cups measured here. I'm going to add that into my container. And then I have already measured out a 1/3 cup of dish soap, any kind. I used Joy. And then for our corn syrup, I'm going to measure a 1/4 cup of corn syrup, just like that. And I'm going to stir it just a little bit. I don't want to make a lot of suds, so don't stir vigorously. Just give it a little bit of a stir. And you can feel that corn syrup in there, which is kind of thick. Stir that up, and that warm water will help dissolve that corn syrup a little bit. It's yellow because my dish soap was yellow. Now I have a wand that I have from some purchased bubbles. I have it left over. You may not have a bubble wand at your home, and there are ways that you can make yours. So this is a plastic wand that came in some purchased bubbles, but you could make a wand out of a jar ring. You could use wire, florist wire, to make a wand. You could use a wire hanger to make a wand. There are things that you can use that you have in your home right now to make a wand. So this is mixed up pretty good. Again, don't stir very vigorously. We don't want a bunch of suds. Now we're gonna see if this actually makes a bubble. I'm gonna dip my wand in, I guess this big end, and hopefully we'll see a bubble. There's a little one. Let's try it again. We have bubbles. Ideally, this is better if it sets a little bit for a couple of hours, but I'm already making bubbles with this solution. Oh, let's try it again. Here's a little one. There we go. I'm going to store mine in a recycled water bottle, just like this with the lid. You could leave yours in a container. But what's the deal? What's the science behind bubbles? Bubbles, the inside and the outside surface is soap molecules. And in between those 2 layers of soap molecules lies a very thin layer of water. So it's sort of like a water sandwich with soap molecules for bread. And then it traps the air inside. I'm going to put some more information for you down in the description box. But I hope you have fun this summer making these awesome, very easy and inexpensive bubbles. I'm going to also add a different recipe. Maybe you don't have corn syrup in your home. I'll add a different recipe. There's a lot of bubble recipes online, and I hope that you enjoy this.